Welcome to the movements of nature, where every flutter and whisper reveals the hidden rhythms of our world. Today, we follow one of nature's most enchanting travelers, the butterfly. More than beauty on wings, it is a living symbol of change, resilience, and harmony. And while butterflies captivate us with their colors, they also belong to a vast scientific story, for they are part of the order Lepidoptera, standing apart from their nocturnal cousins, the moths. Within the superfamily Papilionoidea, 7 families paint the skies with their own artistry. There are the Papilionidae, or swallowtails, with tails like brushstrokes and wings that shimmer like stained glass. Then come the Pieridea, the whites and yellows, simple yet elegant as they dance across meadows. The Lycaenidae, tiny blues, coppers, and hairstreaks, sparkle like jewels in sunlight. Meanwhile, the Nymphalidae, bold brush-footed butterflies, include monarchs, admirals, and countless others. The Hesperiidae, or skippers, dart quickly with hooked antennae and muscular bodies. The Rhyodinidae, known as metalmarks, glimmer with silver flecks. And finally, the Hedyllidae, mysterious butterfly moths, bridge the worlds of day and night. Together, these families form a living rainbow, each one a chapter in evolution's artistry. And yet, their beauty is matched by their remarkable way of life, because butterflies don't bite or chew. Instead, they sip nectar through a coiled proboscis, like a straw. Some gather minerals from soil or fruit in a ritual called mud puddling. And remarkably, they can even taste with their feet, testing leaves before laying eggs. But feeding is only part of their survival, for they must also choose the right home. From meadows to jungles, alpine slopes to gardens, butterflies select their habitats with care. The right plant, the right light, the right balance. Without native vegetation, their world begins to fade. And yet, even more extraordinary is the journey of their life cycle, which begins with a fragile egg. From it hatches a hungry caterpillar, growing fast before sealing itself in a chrysalis. Inside, its body transforms until a butterfly emerges, wings unfolding like a living painting. Males dance to attract mates, females choose wisely. It is not just reproduction, it is rebirth. And through this cycle, butterflies become more than survivors, they become engineers of ecosystems, because every flutter matters. As they feed, they pollinate flowers, support biodiversity, and provide food for birds and mammals. Even in death, they return nutrients to the soil. Their lives may be brief, but their impact is lasting. However, this delicate balance is now under threat as forests fall to concrete, chemicals spread, and flowers vanish. Climate shifts confuse their migration, and pesticides poison their food. Each lost butterfly unravels a thread in nature's tapestry. And yet, butterflies remind us that change is possible, for from egg to flight, they embody transformation, resilience, and grace. Their survival depends on ours, on the gardens we grow, the wild spaces we protect, and the choices we make. Every wing is a brushstroke in nature's masterpiece. Thank you for joining us on the movements of nature. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and keep listening to the rhythms of the wild.